Welcome back to Midwest Access. We are continuing our conversation with Tim Volz about navigating our mental health around family during the holidays. And so the first step that we talked about in the last segment, having a plan.
Yep, acceptance and having a plan.
Yeah.
Just accepting that you're not the only one that's feeling stressed during the holidays. Many people are, and it's okay to feel that way.
Yeah.
So what's the solution, right? So having a plan, we talked about. I work with a lot of people that struggle in the holidays because they have children and they don't have money to go get them extravagant gifts, and I think that really stresses them out. And so I really try to let people know and push the creative gifts that you make yourself.
Yeah.
You know, the scrapbooking, doing something like that, and then putting pictures of your family in there and then presenting that as a gift is something that I've done before, and it just took my time. Right. But it was also nice floating through some of that stuff and seeing some of the pictures, and then being able to give that to somebody for Christmas made me feel good. But you should have seen the response back from my brother.
It's for your brother.
Beautiful stuff. And so you don't have to go out and spend $500 on your kids when you can make them something really, really nice. And so we try to talk a little bit about that creative gift giving, which then will help with the stress of I don't have enough.
Right, and that is such a huge thing for parents, feeling like, oh, they're not going to get as much as their friends are going to get. But, it also makes me think of experiences, just planning out, a day that really doesn't cost anything, but your time together, and then you make these beautiful memories.
That's a really good way of reframing and looking at gift giving, isn't it? It's giving your time, and being present and being available. So that's another thing as far as, helping with stress and anxiety during the holidays is to, just work on making those gifts of love, to give to somebody.
And those mean more than, we're all having memories floating back now, of times that you've gotten gifts like that. That means more than any expensive gift.
Because you still have them.
Exactly.
Yes.
Oh, I love that. Yes, because you still have them.
Yeah.
Okay, what else can we be thinking about?
I really think the connection piece is important. So early on in recovery, a lot of people are not ready to go back into the family yet. So having your kind of little tribe of people that you're kind of going through this journey with is absolutely vital and important. I call them accountability partners. Yeah. Like you had 125 Live on today, and I thought that was kind of really unique, just simply because I just have 3 people that I work with that are now members of 125 Live, and they talk about how much they love it. Yeah. So then what can you do for self-care? So the connections and then self-care, I'm a gym guy, so I never forget, like, going into the gym on Thanksgiving morning, and there's like 2 people there, but you just get the gym to yourself, but I feel so much better walking out. So how do we take care of ourselves during this time? Gym time, journaling, gratitude, gratitude for what you have. If you're not ready to jump back into the fold yet, find a way to take care of yourself. Take your medications. See, these are all things that are practical, but they're good reminders. Don't forget to take your mental health medications during those days. Get into that routine where you're taking them, because that's just going to make things worse.
Those basic things, like you said, make sure you're getting the exercise, whatever that looks like for you. You're drinking water, even just all of those like basic things before we go into these situations we know may be a little more stressful. Right. Yeah. And we can enjoy them a little bit more.
Yes. Yeah. And as we're talking here, a bunch of things pop into my head, but I think about the importance of like emotional support animals. Yeah. So even if you are, I don't want to say alone, but aren't with your family, you can always have your dog or your cat or whatever, and they become like lifesavers.
They do. They can't. That importance cannot be overstated. Yeah. So that's something to think about too for the holidays. Tim, thank you so much. We so appreciate your advice that you bring on and your perspective that you bring. So thank you for being here with us every month.
Thank you.
Yes.